I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Occasional rain and some thunderstorms are likely for tonight all the way through Sunday as low pressure slowly tracks east across the southern plains. The best chance for some thunderstorms are along and south of I-80 on into northern Kansas. Most of our rain totals likely to range a ½ inch to an inch. But for rain amounts in south central Nebraska to north central Kansas, they should range an inch to an inch and a half. Minor flooding may occur due to rain falling on somewhat frozen ground and some ice jams. The overall flood risk, though, is low due to the rain slowly falling over the next few days and not in a short period of time. Early next week is dry with a ridge of high pressure before more rain chances for Wednesday night into Thursday. Highs cool to the 40s over the weekend. 50s to some low 60s are expected for Monday on into Thursday. The long-term forecast maintains a prediction of warmer than normal temperatures Wednesday through February 15th for Nebraska, Kansas, along with the rest of the central and eastern U.S. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation is likely to be slightly above normal for Wednesday through February 15th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include mild temperatures and storminess in the U.S., continued good crop weather for most of Brazil, and hot and dry weather in Argentina. Across the Corn Belt, record-setting warmth remains in place. Yesterday, the warmest February 1st on record in many Midwestern locations, including Joplin, Missouri at 72, Lincoln here in Nebraska at 65, and La Crosse, Wisconsin at 52. A storm emerging from the Four Corners crosses the southern plains tomorrow and drifts eastward along the Gulf Coast, reaching Florida by Monday. Rainfall could reach 1 to 2 inches from the central and southern plains to the southern Atlantic coast. Another strong Pacific storm arrives in California with impacts including heavy rain, mountain snow, and high winds peaking from Sunday through Tuesday. As a long-duration event, this storm has the potential to be more consequential than the previous storm, with precipitation totals of 4 to 8 inches or more expected in California's coastal and mountainous areas. Little or no precipitation occurs the next 5 days in the Midwest and the Northeast. Mild weather prevails nearly nationwide into next week, although cooler air gradually overspreads the west. In Brazil, scattered rain continues to expand southward all the way to Parana this weekend. It may be a bit too wet in northern Brazil, possibly slowing fieldwork progress a bit. Soybean harvest and planting of second crop corn in Brazil, though, is still at a typical pace. Argentina's hot and dry weather continues this weekend, leading to declining corn and soybean conditions. Soil moisture is declining in Argentina, while a sizable amount of soybeans and corn are in the reproductive to filling stages. There are better chances of rain in Argentina sometime next week. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.